What's up, foodies? Today we are making air fryer hash browns, so let's get into it. Also, if you'd like a chance to win an air fryer, make sure you subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments below, would you rather mayo or ketchup on your fries?
Alright foodies, let's start by cutting our potatoes into bite-sized cubes. As we cut them, go ahead and place them into a bowl of water, keep them from turning color. Once we have cut up all of our potatoes, we'll pour the water out and add them to a pot. Now let's add in some fresh water, enough to cover the potatoes about an inch or so. Don't forget to add some salt to the water, and then we'll cook these potatoes till they're fork tender, about 12 minutes. We are doing this so we pre-cook the potatoes so the time they spend in the oven they actually get nice and crispy. Once the potatoes are cooked, drain them and place them on a sheet pan and let them cool to room temperature. This helps remove a lot of the excess water, which will also help them crisp up in the oven. Now that our potatoes are cooled, let's add them to a bowl and add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of paprika. Mix thoroughly to coat all the potatoes. You want to make sure every potato is covered in the seasoning. Now it's time to cook our hash browns. Let's add them to our air fryer. Now take it from me, it's best to do this in 2 batches with this amount of potatoes. If you do this in one giant batch, it may not come out as crispy and it'll take a lot longer to cook the potatoes to that crispy texture. Let's set our air fryer to 400 degrees and set the timer to 7 minutes. The total cooking time between 14 to 20 minutes depending on your air fryer. After 7 minutes, we're going to remove the hash browns, toss and season with some more salt. You also might need to take out the potatoes a few more times and shake depending on the type of air fryer you have. Go ahead and toss the hash browns back in the oven for another 7 minutes or until they're golden brown. Once they are done, let's plate them up. Let's go ahead and squeeze a half a lemon over the potatoes. Now let's sprinkle some feta and oregano and let's give these hash browns a try.
A little bit healthier, a little bit better for you than the deep fried style. Bit of feta cheese on that, makes it really good, melts all over it. And there you have it, air fryer hash browns. Super easy to make, no oil, no deep frying necessary, and they're really good. And until next time, foodie out.